Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a makeup essential, the perfect winged eyeliner. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this tutorial will help you master that flawless wing. Step 1. Prep your eyes. Start with a clean, primed eyelid. Use an eyeshadow primer to ensure your eyeliner stays put all day. This will also prevent smudging. Step 2. Choose your eyeliner. Choose your preferred eyeliner. Liquid liners are great for precision. Gel liners offer more control. Pen liners are beginner-friendly. Step 3. Start with a guide. Draw a small dot or line at the outer corner of your eye. This will be the tip of your wing. Ensure it aligns with the end of your eyebrow. Step 4. Draw the wing from the dot. Draw a line towards the outer edge of your eyelid. This creates the wing's base. Keep your hand steady and use short strokes. Step 5. Connect to the lash line. Next, draw a line from the inner corner of your eye to meet the wing. Start thin and gradually thicken as you move outwards. Step 6. Fill in the wing. Fill in any gaps within the wing. Ensure the liner is smooth and even. Use small strokes for precision. Step 7. Clean up. Use a Q-tip dipped in makeup remover to clean any mistakes. This sharpens the wing and ensures perfection. Step 8. Set your liner. To prevent smudging, set your eyeliner with a matching eyeshadow. This step keeps your liner intact all day. And there you have it, a perfect winged eyeliner. Practice makes perfect, so keep at it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.